Hi, a very quick tip for film acting. If you love film acting, if you're passionate about the topic, here's one quick tip. In film acting, your face is the most important part of the show, okay? Most things happen within your face, so your facial expression. But within your facial expression, 50% at least is given by your eyes, okay? So your eyes will give away at least half of what's going on in the character. So you should really train your eyes and your glance separately. This is kind of a neutral look. It also works when I'm looking off camera. Yeah. Mild surprise look. Changes the character. Mild surprise look. Mild surprise. That changes the character. Kind of skeptical, confrontational look. I'm just changing my eyes. Changes the attitude. Changes the attitude. Yeah, changes the attitude. You can try many of these exercises by just turning on your webcam at home, and that will make you a better film actor. You will get a lot of useful information about yourself, how you act on camera, how you look on camera. If you want even more information, you can check out this video that I published about camera acting tips. That will definitely help you more. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.